Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shisngi hadian baka BJP ha Meghalaya kala berngem ban ujor syaka Election Commission of India ha kabayade baka scheme we card balapan banada ka Trinamool Congress kabathumu ban ai mar 6000 tingka ha ka shibanai sha iwe iri kon thai naman ka wei baka wei ka long yeng ha jalla unong yalam ka seng Trinamool Congress uba George B Lingdo ulaang baka ni ka jing berngem jong ka BJP ka pan i baka Isih ki brio ki Baduk nadu balas dang bandum kerteng ha ka khatlai trik uno pra kila dan shilak san pho hajar tali ki long yang ha Meghalaya ki balapan rung kerteng banyo ikatika scheme balapan bana da ka seng Trinamool Congress ka Trinamool Congress kalapan bana balada ka wan ha ka bor sanchar hadian ka election kan pentre kam ya katika scheme ha kani ka jala habakin tho ya ka jing berngam ka BJP bakan ujor sa ka Election Commission Pyrshah ya katika scheme uba George Hulaong baka ni baro ka pen i baka BJP ka kwa ban khang ya ka scheme ka balong na ka benta ki patba kham tam ya ki duk kisuk Ulaong ru baka ni ka pen i ka jinglong Pyrshah jong ka BJP ki brio ki Baduk bat ki badan kam ya ka jing kershan shu uba George Ulaong baki we ki jala bat ki ri ki ai ki bakum ki te ki scheme she ki nong snong ki balaya rap banwan ra ya ka roi ka kiu habakran sikila pathai khubor henen ka sngi u president ka BJP uba Ernest Mauri ulaang baki kinthai gila yang lan ban penrung kerteng na ka benta ka te ka scheme uba George ulaang ba wat uba Mauri ula kubor baki riu kinthai ki penrung kerteng ban yo ya ka ni ka scheme bat ka ni ka pen i baki pat ba ki priang ya ka scheme bat ki khmi lenti ya ka sarkar ka ban train na ka benta ka jongki Nalor ka tau ba George Ulaong baga BJP ru kalapan banai ki babunjat ki scheme haswa ka election ha Gujarat ka badang sudap shen ka balakot syaka prapo hajar klur tingkah haswa ka election ha Uttar Pradesh Ulaong ba menteri rang Baduk kari ulapan banai ka scheme PM Kisan Samman Nidhi ka bakot syaka arpo hajar khandai spa klur tingkah ban ai jingerap ya kinongrem uba George ulakan thoru ya ka jing sngap jar jong ka BJP halor ki jing kenok bam sab bam ngem Pyrshah ya ka sarkar balayalam da ka NPP.
We've heard through the news reports that Meghalaya BJP has threatened to move Election Commission against Trinamool Congress for announcing the V-Card scheme. Within 2 weeks of its launch, over 1 lakh families have registered for Meghalaya Trinamool Congress's flagship initiative V-Card. We are seeing that this is an attempt of the BJP to block a pro-people scheme which is designed to uplift the poor and marginalized, and it only exposes BJP's anti-poor and anti-development politics. Meghalaya BJP President himself admitted that women across the state have lined up to register for the scheme. This proves that people are welcoming the scheme and they look forward for a government that can work for the people and also schemes that will be for the welfare of the poor irrespective of caste, creed, religion and any other criteria that have been laid down by several government schemes over the years. Here, people are welcoming to empower themselves and especially to empower the women. The fact that the BJP is against the scheme also shows that it has its disregard of the needs of the people of Meghalaya from time to time. The V-Card scheme is meant to serve the people of Meghalaya and throws light on the vision of governance and put forward by the Meghalaya TMC. And similar models have been used all over the country and in other countries where such schemes have only empowered the community to take giant strides towards development. The V-Card assures a guaranteed income support of 1,000 rupees per month to one woman per household in the state. This is universal in nature and this will cover around 5.5 lakh households across the state. The BJP can continue to trick people in the name of welfare schemes, but if opposition parties like the Trinamool Congress work for people, that becomes a shortcut politics for them. Just ahead of the Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh elections, the centre extended the free food scheme only for 3 months. Multiple SOPs were announced in Gujarat ahead of the elections amounting to rupees 80,000 crore, which included 29,000 crore worth of projects unveiled by the Honourable Prime Minister himself. Ahead of the UP elections this year, Prime Minister Modi suddenly announced 20,900 crore as PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, which will give 6,000 to farmers via direct transfer. Is the Meghalaya BJP aware of these facts? After being partners in corruption with the NPP, and suddenly now they have turned silent on the questions that they have earlier asked on the allegations of corruption in schemes like Sobhagya and smart meters. Now the BJP is trying to turn its guns on the Trinamool Congress. It is trying to bring welfare schemes on an elected government that we as TMC look forward to for the support of the people and their blessings. A government that people will know what they will do in the next 5 years. Not that we see governments that will start thinking about people only 3 months before the election. Therefore, we encourage people to join the We Card initiative to show the commitment and also their support, and at the same time give their blessings so that we will have a government that is elected by the people, for the people and of the people.